Additionally, the common maintenance practice used by the aviation industry is preventive maintenance and corrective maintenance. What is preventive maintenance? Preventive maintenance is a type of maintenance that the maintenance is conducted regularly even when the aircraft is in good performance. However, this may lead to unnecessary maintenance and you may potentially damage the component in it if the technician is careless and tries to repair a functioning engine. What is corrective maintenance? Corrective maintenance is a type of maintenance that an unscheduled maintenance will only be performed after an occurrence of failure. However, this can lead to poor aircraft uptime and reliability that can impact on the aircraft operation badly and result in huge economic loss. And right now, we know that the common maintenance practice in the aviation industry are preventive maintenance and corrective maintenance. However, there are weaknesses in these common maintenance practices such as unnecessary maintenance, increase in maintenance costs, and poor aircraft uptime and reliability in it. The main objectives of this system is to forecast upcoming aircraft engine failures by predicting its remaining useful life so that early planning can be carried out to optimize maintenance costs and management. The second objective is to notify user when there is a predicted aircraft engine failures in the future. This is the solution architectures for my project. It is a predictive analytics maintenance management system and it is made up of 3 modules which are predictive maintenance engine, modification system, and dashboard system. Right now, I will show you how the system works. With all the benefits, this project can offer competitive advantage and superior values to the customers by delivering better service at a reduced cost. Airline companies can monetize their maintenance system, and this presents an opportunity for a new revenue stream. The main idea of this project is to introduce the analysis and system architecture of maintenance management system based on predictive analytics for aviation industry. By doing this project, it proves that predictive analytics is feasible and can be adopted in aviation industry. In the future, there will be more and more ideas that utilize predictive analytics technique to enable more efficient and effective business process.